how to plot. Let me do slowly. So, and I recommend later to use the templates because it will be easier to really work. So as you see, I have selected the title block, and the title block you can also change if it is not fitting. Insert title block and change the size, C size or back to B size. That's my recommended size in this case. Then I move to my paper space where my diagram is already framed properly. To plot, I right click on the B size and say plot. By default, it's already set to monochrome STB. So you don't need to do anything to plot black and white, just press preview to see how the plot is, and right click and plot. And this is saving my plot black and white. If you need to plot with colors, like I was showing, but you will need a style that will be delivered to all attendees, you do the same, right click, plot, and you select a different plot style. Plot style are very powerful, and you can really customize a lot. It's by default, we use the monochrome STB, which allows you to plot the black and white, all the entities in the drawing. And so it's easier to plot black and white.